everyone, welcome Fun with Tam. Today I am going to crochet this beautiful pattern, and let's begin. In this pattern we need 6 multiples plus 1 chain. I'm going to do first. I skip my um, first chain here, and I'm starting to one single crochet in the second stitch, and then I'm going to do 3 chain, 3 chain, and I skip 3 chain, and my fourth chain I'm going to do one single crochet. 1 2 3 4. Fourth chain I'm going to do one single crochet, and my next chain I am going to do another single crochet, and again I need 3 single crochets, and again I'm going to do 3 chain, and I am skip 3 chain spaces. I'm going to my fourth chain, and I'm going to do 2 single crochets of my last 2 chain. Okay, and now we are in second row. I am going to do 1 chain and turn, and I am going to do 5 double crochets in that where it here in that middle of this 3 chain. I'm going to do 5 double crochets. 1 2 3 4 5. And now I'm going to do 1 single crochet in this middle of this 3 single crochets, and again I'm going to do 5 single crochets. 1 2 3 4 5. And now I am going to do my single crochet in the top of this chain, top of that chain. Okay, now I am in third row. It's the black color. Third row I am going to do 3 chain and turn my work, and I am going to do 3 single crochets in top of this middle of these crochets. 1 2 3. I am starting with here. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, and again 3 chain. 1 2 3, and I'm going to do single crochets 1 2 3 here, top of my single double crochets. 1 2 3. Okay, now I'm going to do 2 chain, and I'm going to do 1 single crochet over there, and I'm going to do in my fourth row I'm going to do 3 chain. 1 2 3, and turn my work, and I'm going to do 2 double crochet in this place, in this 2 chain place. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, Okay, and I'm going to do one single crochet in the this three single crochets, top of this single crochets, middle of this single crochets, and again I'm going to do 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I am in here now. I need to do one single crochet top of this 3 um, single crochets, sorry, I'm forgetting their names. And again I need to do 3 double crochets in this gap, in this 2 chain gap. 1, I mean this 2 chain gap. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is our 4-row pattern, and now you need to start again with first row. First row is um, here, 1 chain and turn and go top of this 3 chains, 1 single crochet and 3 chain. I'll do it for you. And 1 chain, this is the first row, and this top of this chain, we are going to do 1 single crochet and 3 chain, and again top of these chains, top of these 2 double crochets, I am going to do 1 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, and it is easy. And 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, 3 chain, and my end I am going to do 2 double crochets in top of this double crochets. Okay, I hope you understand what is it. It's after you finish it, it's look like this. It's very beautiful. Okay, I think you enjoy my video. See you again next time with another beautiful stitch pattern. Bye bye.